Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is the popular Rogan Josh. I'm making it with mutton today or goat, but you can make it with any other red meat. So let's get straight into it. So let's start by putting in the oil. I'm using mustard oil, which needs to come to a smoking point, and then you turn off the heat. So I'm using my pressure cooker to cook this mutton Rogan Josh, but you can use whatever pan you use to cook your meat. Okay, so we're going to start with our whole spices, the cloves, cumin seeds, and Asafoetida. Mix for a couple of seconds. And then the meat goes in. So we're just going to sear the meat. Okay, the next our cardamom is going in. I've got black cardamom and green cardamom that I've crushed. Brown this meat in these spices for about 5 minutes. Okay, my meat has browned nicely, as you can see. So I'm going to add my salt, Kashmiri chilies. This dish has a very red flavor, so Kashmiri chilies are mild, but will give it a nice red color. If you don't want to use Kashmiri chilies, use paprika, but it needs to have a nice rich red color. So mix that through nicely, let the meat absorb all that Kashmiri chilies. Look at that, it's completely transformed the dish. It's nice and red. Okay, my fennel goes in next, and ginger. Oh, that smells beautiful. Mix that through. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat right down. And now I'm going to add the yogurt. I'm going to mix that yogurt through. And I'm just going to mix this for about 2 minutes so that the yogurt cooks a bit as well. Alright, that smells lovely. Okay, so I'm now going to add my Garam Masala. Mix that through. I'm going to add some water to cook this. Look at that red color. Okay, now add enough of water to cook your meat. Add a little bit more. Now I'm going to pressurize this, but you would just put your lid on and cook it for 40 minutes or 45 minutes, however long it takes to cook. Lid on. I will see you back in a few minutes. Okay, it's time to check on this curry. Okay, so let's check if the meat is cooked. My meat is beautiful and tender. It's almost falling off the bone. So all I need to do now is to dry up this gravy to the consistency that you would like. So this is my cardamom. That goes in. And I'm just going to dry this up a little bit more. It smells beautiful. So I have used goat or mutton in this recipe. You can use any red meat of your choice. If you've made it so far, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, so that has thickened up a bit more. So I'm happy with the consistency of the gravy there. I'm going to eat this with rice, so I do want a bit of gravy. So that's looking good. So there you have it, mutton Rogan Josh. Enjoy.